Meaning of dish towel.
Dish towel.
Dish towel.
Dish towel.
Dish towel. A dish towel is a cloth used for drying dishes or wiping out spills in the kitchen. It is usually made of absorbent materials such as cotton or linen and comes in various sizes and colors. Dish towels are an essential part of any kitchen and can be found in most households around the world. They are easy to wash and replace, making them a convenient and practical tool for everyday use. Overall, dish towels are a simple yet necessary item that helps keep our kitchens clean and tidy.